Do you know the English names for different kinds of cars? In this video, you'll learn useful English vocabulary for types of cars in a simple and easy way. Let's begin.
Toyota Corolla,
Toyota Corolla,
Toyota Camry,
Toyota Camry,
Toyota RAV4,
Toyota RAV4,
Toyota Land Cruiser,
Toyota Land Cruiser,
Toyota Prius,
Toyota Prius,
Toyota Yaris,
Toyota Yaris,
Toyota Highlander,
Toyota Highlander,
Toyota Hilux,
Toyota Hilux,
Toyota Crown,
Toyota Crown,
Toyota GR Supra,
Toyota GR Supra,
Honda Civic,
Honda Civic,
Honda Accord,
Honda Accord,
Honda CR-V,
Honda CR-V,
Honda HR-V,
Honda HR-V,
Honda Pilot,
Honda Pilot,
Honda Fit,
Honda Fit,
Honda Odyssey,
Honda Odyssey,
Honda ZR-V,
Honda ZR-V,
Honda Integra,
Honda Integra,
Honda Ridgeline,
Honda Ridgeline,
BMW 1 Series,
BMW 1 Series,
BMW 2 Series,
BMW 2 Series,
BMW 3 Series,
BMW 3 Series,
BMW 4 Series,
BMW 4 Series,
BMW 5 Series,
BMW 5 Series,
Volkswagen Golf,
Volkswagen Golf,
Volkswagen Polo,
Volkswagen Polo,
Volkswagen Passat,
Volkswagen Passat,
Volkswagen Tiguan,
Volkswagen Tiguan,
Mercedes-Benz C-Class,
Mercedes-Benz C-Class,
Honda Civic,
Honda Civic,
Ford Mustang,
Ford Mustang,
Hyundai Elantra,
Hyundai Elantra,
Tesla Model S,
Tesla Model S,
Chevrolet Camaro,
Chevrolet Camaro,
Kia Sportage,
Kia Sportage,
Subaru Impreza,
Subaru Impreza,
Mazda 3,
Mazda 3,
Dodge Charger,
Dodge Charger,
Volvo XC60,
Volvo XC60,
Porsche 911,
Porsche 911,
Lexus RX,
Lexus RX,
Mitsubishi Outlander,
Mitsubishi Outlander,
Land Rover Discovery,
Land Rover Discovery,
Cadillac Escalade,
Cadillac Escalade,
Infiniti Q50,
Infiniti Q50,
Acura MDX,
Acura MDX,
Ford Explorer,
Ford Explorer,
GMC Sierra,
GMC Sierra,
Ram 1500.
Ram 1500.
Chevrolet Silverado.
Chevrolet Silverado.
Tesla Model X.
Tesla Model X.
Toyota RAV4.
Toyota RAV4.
Honda Accord.
Honda Accord.
Hyundai Sonata.
Hyundai Sonata.
BMW X5.
BMW X5.
Mercedes-Benz GLE.
Mercedes-Benz GLE.
Audi Q5.
Audi Q5.
Kia Sorento.
Kia Sorento.
Nissan Rogue.
Nissan Rogue.
Subaru Forester.
Subaru Forester.